Breeding program is one of the important aspect in animal husbandry. What is breeding? Crossing two species, crossing two breed in order to get the best hybrid is called as animal breeding. And animal breeding, they are of two types, inbreeding and outbreeding. Inbreeding and outbreeding. Inbreeding and outbreeding. Now what is inbreeding? Inbreeding is cross between the same breed. Point number one. Cross between the same breed having common ancestor from both the side. Having common ancestor for up to 4 to 6 generation. The ancestor is common. That kind of crossing is known as inbreeding. Inbreeding has one advantage, one disadvantage. What is the advantage? I'll tell you what is the advantage. The first advantage, we get pure line breed. There is no mixing. It is also called as exhibiting homozygosity. Whereas there is a disadvantage. What is that? Due to continuous inbreeding at one stage, they, or we can see, reduction in their fertility and in their productivity. It is called as inbreeding depression. It is known as inbreeding depression. It is known as inbreeding depression. Now what to do? In order to solve the problem of inbreeding depression, we should go for outbreeding. Now what is that outbreeding? Let us study about that. Again, there are three types of outbreeding program. Let us see what are those outbreeding programs. See, in outbreeding, the first one is outcrossing. Outcrossing. Second one is crossbreeding. And third one is interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization. First, what is outcrossing? Outcrossing is similar to inbreeding. This we have to keep in mind. Outcrossing is similar to inbreeding. What happens in inbreeding? Cross between same breed but no common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. But here, in inbreeding there is common ancestor, whereas here no common ancestor. This we have to keep in mind. The difference between inbreeding and outcrossing almost same. Inbreeding is also cross between same breed. Outcrossing is also cross between same breed. In inbreeding, common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. Here no common ancestor. Don't get confused. Here no common ancestor, as breed is same. This is outcrossing. Now what is crossbreeding? Crossbreeding is, it is the crossing between different breed. Breed itself is different. Different breed. Crossbreed. And what is interspecific hybridization? Cross between related species. Both the species are different, but related species like horse and donkey. Horse and donkey can be crossed to get mule as a product. So mule is the result of two related species. This is called as interspecific hybridization. Now there is one more program in breeding we call as MOET. What is this MOET? MOET stands for Multiple Ovulation Embryo Transfer Technology. Multiple Ovulation Embryo transfer technology. So what they do in this? Imagine here is a superior female. Okay. So what they do? They want the gametes of superior male, which they can collect from any part of the world. I'm saying any part of the world. They can collect the gamete. They can bring it and they can introduce into the body of this female artificially. It is injected into her reproductive tract. Before that, this cow is provided with some injection like FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Due to this cow exhibits multiple ovulation. As a result, more than one eggs are released, and after injecting those superior gamete of the male, automatically we can get several zygote. These zygotes are taken out and each zygote is introduced into the body of different female, that is into different cow. As a result, those cow, they give birth to the young one. Those cow they are called a surrogate mother. Again, this cow is free. Again, we can carry out the same process. This method is called as multiple ovulation embryo transfer.